2024 Honda Civic with famous problem with the steering rack. It's got 17,000 miles on the odometer. That's the production date of the car. That's how I okay, the dealer refused the warranty on this car because it's a rebuilt salvage, and but the car was not hit in a suspension. I don't even know what was the damage, but I don't see any parts being replaced. Here's what I found after I removed the rack. Well, I'm not 100% sure if this is happened because of an accident, but I got the used rack, and here's what I'm looking at. This boot, you see this kind of a rusty stuff, and I'm thinking how the water can get inside of there. The boot was not super tight. That's one thing. Another thing, the ventilation is on the top, and even looking at this guy, I'm not sure what can cause a damage like that. Ah, now I can see it. It was rubbing. It was rubbing against it. Well, maybe it's got bended somehow, the shaft. But how is that possible in any kind of a theory? Another thing that I can see, you see how it is stress point. You got the shaft, one mounting spot, two mounting spots, and then you have the motor which puts the whole stress over turning the wheel. You got one mounting spot and some kind of flimsy bracket that I can bend with my screwdriver that holds all this torsion of the motor, and the weak spot is gonna be right here. So I don't see anything bad here, but I'm not even sure how this gear comes out. But I don't know, something tells me that this did not happen because of an accident. It looks like to me, my opinion, because the way it's mounted, the motor twists a rack like that. It flexes in this spot, which is eventually will go like that. Even if you look at this one, I mean, but this is, what the heck is this? Rust? Water? How does water gets in there? Through the vent or something else? On this side looks perfectly clean. This side looks perfect. By the way, if you removing this, here's the tab. Over there you got the shield. Push on the tab and kind of pull like that, and that's how it comes out. This one just like that. But looking on this steering rack, it's very weak in this spot. I don't know why they all go out. This one had the same symptoms as everybody describes, except on top of that it felt like it's jamming in one position. I mean, it felt like it's harder in one position, but well, I don't know. But the thing is, if you're replacing it, make sure to measure a distance from here to the rack. Make it the same, to put it in the exactly same position. Well, I don't know. If I'm gonna have time, I'm gonna take this one apart and see what else I can find inside of it. Very curious why they all go bad with the same symptoms.